गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। रोहाना मैम फिर से आज 6 स्टैंडर्ड के लिए मैं लेसन 5 पार्ट 5 ये जो पेज नंबर 53 में लेसन 5 र की मात्राएं करने वाली हूँ। र अक्षर की मात्राएं। आप लोग सब ने 12 खड़ी कर लिया था, उसमें आ से आहा तक मात्राएं सब पढ़ लिया था। अब आते हैं र अक्षर की मात्राएं। पार्ट 5 र की मात्राएं, लेसन 5 र अक्षर मात्रा। नाउ इन दिस अंडर र अक्षर चिल्ड्रन देर आर 3 मात्राएं। This is called as ref. Paden and paden. Paden are of 2 types. So ref is like when you are writing, you have your double line of Hindi like this, correct? Now when you are writing a Hindi word, this ref, this ra matra will go above the line. It goes above the line. Ra matra goes above the line. Paden is of 2 types. Paden will be only with one line, that will be inside your double line of your Hindi note, and the other paden will have 2 lines. It will be like a small triangle down under the letter. So you have ra ki mantra which is above the line. This ra will be paden, and this ra different type of paden. So there are 3 types of ra ki matras in this lesson. So starting with the ref, we go on. When you write ka, when you put a small ra on the top and ma, you pronounce the word as children karma. You pronounce the word as karma. It goes, this ra ki mantra comes on top of the line. Karma. Then again we got the second word. Kharch. Karma means your fate or your work, what you have to do, whatever you do, your work. Karma, your work. Kharch means what you spend money. Garv means what you are proud of. Tark means what you talk about. Karya is your work. So this children, ra ki matra will be on top. It is called as ref. It will be on top of the line. It won't be anywhere underneath the line. It will be always on top of the line. When you finish with this ra ki mantra, you come to the second one. Over here you have only one. You have only one line. One ra ki mantra which will be attached to the word. This ra is above the line. This will be attached to the word. So if you say karma. Karma is even written with rafrain. It is also written with the paden. So this ra will be attached to the ka here. Pratham means first. So pa ra tha ma, pratham. This ra matra makes a lot of difference in this word, children. Pratham means first. So when you put a ra ki mantra after pa here, it becomes ra, pra. Again, pa, ra, ma, e ki manta, prem. Prem means love. Umra means your age. Chakra means wheel. So like this, children, come to the third ra ki mantra. In this paden, you have 2 ra's. One ra will be facing this side, one will be this side. It will be like a small inverted triangular shape. In this ra, na, train. It says train means what's a train? Then we have metro. Metro. You know what's a metro even, children? Rasht means your nation. Ra, sha, ada, sha, tra. This becomes tra here, which becomes this type of ra ki mantra, rasht. Then you come to dra. This is dra. Drama it's an act. Then drum. Drums are huge storage tanks which you store water or you play the drums or whatever. It's called a drum. Then these are the 3 main ra ki matras that you have done in lesson number 5. So children, this is what I have just given you a small introduction. you can go through this, which is on page number 53 and 53 to 55. You have this Ra ki matra in page number 53, then page number 54 and page number 55. Can go through there are many words that you can see in that. Miss has only given you 5 examples. After doing that, you have to do the exercise that is on page number 56. You have to do it in your textbook. You have to do that in the textbook. These words you can write it 5 times in your rough note and study. Write it 5 times in your rough note and 5 times and study. Okay, children? So you only have to send Rohana Miss this page number 56 with the homework done. Send this way, and this 5 times that you are writing and studying that particular words, you have to send it to me. Do this and send it to Rohana ma'am in WhatsApp. I'll check it out, and if you have any doubts, you can call me and ask. It's very easy. Only 3 type of matras or Ra ki matra. 3 types. You just have to remember where it is used. So there are many examples given in these particular page numbers which I have given here. Look into that, do it, click the picture and send it to Rohana ma'am. Fine, children? Thank you.